I was sent this S-Zone crossbody bag in yellow by the seller. I love these bucket type clutch handbags, and this color is stunning. You can carry it like a clutch bag, or you can use this strap and use it as a crossbody bag. The strap is very long and thick, and it's got these hooks on it, the clasps, that are really quality metal and really pretty. What I absolutely love about this bag is that the clutch straps are actually adjustable. You can shorten them or lengthen them. These bags are made of leather, so it comes with a little maintenance tag, so this can help you keep your leather in tip-top shape. On the inside, there is a zipper compartment and a standard pocket. I like to wear my crossbody bags near my hip, but if you want to extend that strap out, it can lengthen over 4 feet long. Super cute, super convenient, and I love it.